Listen, prices are high everywhere, from the US to the UK, and right here in Jamaica, people are feeling it. Every time you blink, something just costs more. But why? Some say it's inflation, some say it's the global supply chain issues, and others, well, they just blame the government. Whatever the reason, we all want to stretch our dollar, or should I say our Jamaican dollar. Last month, I took you guys to the Coronation Market in Kingston, Jamaica to see if buying directly from the market would save us some money, and you guys loved that video. But now it's time for an update on something I did back in 2021, where I went to different supermarkets to compare which of those grocery stores would give the best value. Back then, we checked out 10 everyday items from 3 major supermarkets. But what has changed? Are the prices even crazier now? And which supermarket actually gives the best value in 2025? That's what we're about to find out. So here's a plan. We're checking out the same 10 items at 3 big supermarkets, starting with Brooklyn Supermarket, then headed to Mega Mart, and then wrapping up at Super Value. Which one will come out on top? I don't know. You guys are gonna have to comment below and tell me what you think. Stay with me to the end so that we can find out together, because trust me, some of these prices may shock you. Let's get into the video. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Rochielin traveling the 4 corner. Rochielin vlogging on no border. Rochielin plant a man banana. Rochielin vlogging on no drama. Rochielin, 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 Rochielin. Like, share, subscribe. Rochielin, 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 Rochielin. Channel the worldwide.
Rochielin. Just a pause to remind you that if you're looking for authentic, traditionally made Jamaican black castor oil, we've got you covered. You can get it from Jamaica at www.jamaica.com. I'll leave a link to it in the description bar below. So that's your authentic, traditionally made Jamaican black castor oil. Also, a lot of you have always been asking me about my Jamaican necklace that I almost never take off. So this is it with the pendant. It's a map of Jamaica, and it has all 14 parishes written on it. That is also available on Jamaica's website. I will leave a link to both the castor oil and the necklace in the description bar below, so you can go get them for yourself. Alright?
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Welcome back to another Rochielin video. Today we are in the supermarket and we're trying to see what the prices are in 2025. So right now I'm in Brooklyn Supermarket and we have 10 items. So let's go. So first stop is rice. We got 2 pounds of rice the last time. Now I'm gonna look at 2 pounds of rice this time. I'm trying to make sure that I got the same thing that we got last time. Right? And it's 2 pounds of rice here is for $176.70. And just like that, let's move on to flour. 2 pounds of flour is for $163.08 in 2025, and this is 2 pounds of sugar. It's actually 2.2 pounds, so it's 1 kilogram. Each of these are 1 kilogram, and the price is $385.28. I'd love for you guys to comment below and tell me what's the difference between these sugar. Why is one so dark brown and one light brown? I feel like the dark brown sugar scare me sometimes, especially when I'm making porridge, and if the porridge come out too dark, I mean, I really like it. Just a comparison sake, look at this. Both of them say cane sugar, you know. Both of them, one is golden and one is something else. But I don't know, somebody do more bleaching or less bleaching, I don't know. 400 grams of cornmeal, and this is for $113.93. So for the 500 milliliter bottle of oil, the price is $365.92 in February 2025. Brand Kendall was given us for $373.48, and Grace did $526.33. I don't know what's about Grace, why it is more expensive than the others. I guess because it's a more established brand. Most Jamaicans know Grace as opposed to the others. Moving on.
That's Mike. Oh my goodness.
Rochielin. Hold the mic up to your mouth.
Rochielin, why are you doing this to me? I'm not camera ready. Oh my days. I am out shopping in the supermarket, Brooklyn, and I met Rochielin. Oh my goodness. Take it, Mike, from me.
What is your name?
I'm Corinne. Oh my
How
yes.
long do you subscribe?
From the very, very first time you started, I have been a follower. Yep.
Really?
Yes.
First video.
The first day when you were doing the rentals and you went around Kingston.
And I first video that, but a long time. So you get a pass. Alright.
Alrighty. All right.
Big up
Thanks.
yourself.
Hi.
Yeah.
Excited, you know.
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
See, here's the bread. I've been trying to find the giant bread price, but they don't have the price for it in this store. But they do have the price for the brown national hard bread for $545. So I'm guessing it's around the same price for all of them. So now we're gonna look on the price of mackerel and compare it. For the 155 gram of Grace mackerel, hot and spicy is for $125.80. Yeah, same price over here. Let's look at some other brands, just so we get the range again. There's this one, Caribbean Choice, and they have it for $170.63. There is Lasco, and they have it for $110.62. Sardines price is $249.40. It's a Saturday, so a lot of people are shopping, so the supermarket is packed. I feel like I've been in here forever trying to find the things. This is not a supermarket that I know, that I usually shop at, so I'm not really familiar where everything is. So I'm just a walker around and trying to find the stuff. And I have two more things to find. And then we head to another supermarket to see what the price is. But so far, this is Brooklyn Supermarket, and I hope you're finding this video helpful to see what the prices are in 2025, and you can figure where you go shop when you want to shop, what you can get from where. Understand? And compare it to then versus now. So I'm seeing where they have a flavored condensed mix, cinnamon flavored. I've never seen this one before. Okay, let's take one from the top. Cinnamon, vanilla, nutmeg flavor condensed milk. That's interesting. And that's for $308.16. I also have the regular condensed milk that I'm more familiar with. And this one is for $330.14. And then they have these packets. And those are the price for the packets. So yeah. The sausage. So they have the jerk Vienna sausage. One of them is for $177.69. And they have the Grace Vienna, just the regular sausage. And that's for $177.69. Ah, thank you so much and congratulations. Such a cutie. How old?
2 months old.
And they are red?
Yes.
Come like mine. They are red from day one.
I got a smile. He's smiling. Hi, Rochielin. I'm Sabrina. You can follow me on IG at Selfmade Subs. Nice meeting you. I'm also a supporter. Take care.
Congrats on your baby.
Thank you. Little bit just a smile. Nice puppy.
Alright, so I want you guys to comment below and tell me how much you think the 10 things that we just bought cost. Alright, let me tell you. The grand total for the 10 items is $2,997.28. And that includes GCT or sales tax, which is 15% here in Jamaica. Now let's put that into perspective. Back in 2021, when I did the same supermarket comparison, buying the same 10 items, that costed me $2,016.86. Fast forward to 2025, and it's costing me $980 more in 2025. Ooh, inflation is not playing. I want to hear from you guys below. Drop a comment and let me know. Are you surprised by the price difference? Have you noticed a change in your grocery bill over the years? Let's talk about it. But we're not done yet. The next step is Megamart. Let's see if we can get a better deal over there. So keep on watching. Oh, and if you haven't subscribed already, Please subscribe. Love y'all. Let's continue. So now we're in Mega Mart. Let's compare the rice.
1 kilogram or 2 pounds is $239.09. Flour or 1 kilogram or 2.2 pounds. This is $192.77. Now for cornmeal, we have like a 1.1 kilogram for $214.83. If you want to go directly to the brand, because these are bulk that they bagged out themselves, but for the brand, the Miracle Refined Cornmeal at 400 grams, there's no price listed. They even have Fusca cornmeal. I've never seen this before, but I guess if them have Fusca oats, they should have Fusca cornmeal, right? But no price. And let's move right along to sugar. This is the 1 kilogram or the 2.2 pounds. And this is the Worthy Park brand, and this is for $398. And they have this darker brown one over here, so which is also Worthy Park. And I don't see a separate price, so look at the difference. See if I can see the difference in color. See a darker brown, lighter brown, but they both say cane sugar. I don't know why one's darker than the other. $398. Same small bottle of oil. Leaders is a little more popular one. And the one we got last time, I'm looking for it in a small bottle, but I'm not seeing it in small. I see it in big. They don't have the small one, so we're gonna look at the Grace vegetable oil, which is about the same size, 500 milliliters. That's $544 plus tax. Let me just compare it to something else of the same size. The soybean oil from this company called Gourmet, $345. Sausage, the Grace Vienna sausage is for $172, and the same for this one. The Alaska Vienna sausage is for $155, and the Eve Vienna sausage is also for $155. The mackerel in hot and spicy Grace is for $115. Same for the one without the hot and spicy. Same $115. The same thing in other brands. Kendall is $109, Cows is $114, and Sardine is $285. And then the Betty condensed milk is for $306. Alright, for bread now you have a lot of options. A lot of different brands, but I'm just gonna choose the Giant National Bread, and this is for $535. But no, them bread slices are thick. You eat one of them and your belly full, just one.
Whew. So we just checked out of Mega Mart, and the grand total for the 10 items is $3,451.94, and that includes the 15% GCT. Now let's compare that to 2021. These same items cost us $2,143.74, and today it's $3,451.94. So that's a $1,308 increase. Crazy, right? So far, Brooklyn Supermarket was cheaper at $2,997.28, but we still have one more supermarket to check, and I want you guys to comment below and tell me, do you think Super Valley will have the best price, or will it be even more expensive? Let's go find out, and drop a comment below to tell me if you expected Mega Mart to be this much higher. Alright, let's head to Super Value. Let's go. Oh, and if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. Love y'all. Let's continue. Cooking oil aisle. So for the liter with $342.17, and this is for the 500 milliliter bottle of oil. The Grace mackerel in tomato sauce is $117, and this is for the 5.5 ounce can. And the hot and spicy has a different price at $125.81. And moving over to the other brand, which is the Lasco hot and spicy, is for $110.63, and the Kendall is for $110.89, and the Caribbean Choice is for $115.52.
It's $273 for the Brunswick sardine. The Vienna sausage, that's for $191.05. Alright, moving along to the Lasco, which this is for $149.30. And the Kendall Vienna sausage is for $151.20. Hear me out though, guys. All of these say Vienna sausage. What's Vienna? Anybody ever thought about that before? I don't know. Maybe you guys know in the comment section below. Because remember, it's about learning here. Learning from me and learning from you. So if you know, comment below and tell me. Alright, let's move along. Rice. So there's rice here. And boy, when I go look on the jasmine rice and the basmati rice because them they're expensive. That's usually what I eat personally, not about me right now. But I'm gonna show you the jasmine rice is for $643 for the 1 kilogram, which is 2 pounds. And the basmati rice for the 2 pounds is $828.04. Now let's compare that to regular rice. For the same 2 pound, well, I have the Alberto parboiled rice for $415, and then Alberto white rice is for $356.30. The supermarket don't have it bulk and bagged out like the others do. So these are the options. And then we're moving on to flour. And they have the 1 kilogram or 2.2 pounds. This is the bag of counter flour from PGJ. And this is $157.34. 400 grams of cornmeal from Geddes, and that's $117.58. 2 pound sugar from Pure Jamaican Golden Grove, and this one is for $407.23. Then there's Grace Brown sugar for $441.39. There's Worthy Park 2 pound sugar for $388.36. And then there's the Jamaica Gold sugar, 2 pounds again. And I don't see the price. There's the 1 pound price, but I don't see the 2 pound price. Whenever I see canned callaloo or canned ackee in the supermarket here in Jamaica, I'm always thinking like, does anybody in Jamaica actually eat it in the can? I know that when I am back in the States, I eat the can ones because we don't have access to the ones from the tree. But I've never had the can one while here in Jamaica. So I'm curious to know if anybody here in Jamaica actually eat these can ones. Somebody must be eating it for it to be in the supermarket. Always, strange. But anyways, let's continue. Condensed milk in this supermarket is for $299.81. And then bread, that's for $535.
Alright, so we just checked out our super value, and the grand total for our 10 items is $3,193.33, and that includes GCT. Back in 2021, these same 10 items costed us $2,231.73, and now in 2025 we're paying the $3,193.33, so that's a $961 increase. Definitely feeling the price jump. So now that we've shopped at all 3 supermarkets, here's how they compare. Brooklyn Supermarket came out the cheapest at $2,997.28. Super Value was second at $3,193.33, and Mega Mart was the most expensive at $3,451.94. But here's the thing. While Brooklyn had the lowest overall total, not every item was cheaper there. Sometimes Mega Mart had the better price, sometimes Super Value did. It really depended on the item. Another thing I noticed is that some items didn't have the prices listed on the shelf or even on the product itself, and that made it a little tricky to know if we're getting the best best deal until you actually cashed out. But that's what it is. What do you guys think? Did the results surprise you? Where do you usually shop for your groceries? Drop a comment below and let's talk about it. Have you been feeling the price increase? Does this video shock you any at all? Is this what you were expecting? Comment below. I'd love to hear from you guys. Alright, we're gonna wrap up this price comparison. If you haven't seen my market video, I'll encourage you guys to go and check it out, because we shop at supermarket and we're shopping at the downtown market, you know, to try to get the best value for our money. And I did that a few weeks ago at the downtown market, so go check that video out, and remember to leave your comments under this video so we can keep the conversation going. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow me at Rochielin here on YouTube and on Instagram, and reach out to me. You know, love y'all. Bye.
Rochielin traveling the four corner. Rochielin vlogging on no border. Rochielin plant a man banana. Rochielin vlogging on no drama. Rochielin, 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 Rochielin. Like, share, subscribe. Rochielin, 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 Rochielin. Channel the worldwide.
Rochielin.